Welcome to this tutorial on how to change storage location for your passwords. You can change the storage location by going to the settings and selecting storage mode. We offer you the choice to store your passwords either locally on your PC or in the cloud. For more information on selecting the storage mode, you can refer to our knowledge base. In this example, I am switching from cloud storage mode to desktop storage mode. All my passwords are now stored in my local PC. Let's now switch back and store my data in cloud. Thank you for watching this tutorial on switching between cloud storage mode and desktop storage mode, allowing you to choose the storage option that works best for your needs.